Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna share with you how to emphasize the movement or impact in your video with a shake effect. So let's check it out. Alright, so we're in Davinci Resolve right now, and I have a clip in my timeline of a girl playing tennis, and I would like to emphasize that impact when she hit the ball. To do that, we're gonna use a shake effect that we're gonna localize in keyframe to just stay on that specific moment. So first we're gonna bring a shake effect by going to Effect, Open Effects, then we can search for shake, and we can bring the camera shake on our clip. Now we're gonna go a couple of frames before the hit is happening, so around here. We're like 4 or 5 frames before she hit the ball, so we're gonna ramp up our keyframing from there. We're gonna go over to Effect, then we're gonna drop a keyframe on Motion Scale, Speed Scale, and Motion Blur. We're gonna bring the motion scale to 0 and the speed scale to 0. Now let's move a couple frames forward until she hit the ball right here, and now we're gonna just bring the motion scale back up to maybe 1.5, speed scale to about 1.5 as well, and motion blur at 0.5. Now let's move a couple frames forward again when the motion is done around here, and we're gonna bring the motion scale down to 0, the speed scale down to 0, and the motion blur down to 0. Now let's play it. The key factor to adjust the strength of this effect gonna be here if you want to put the motion scale and the speed scale at a higher value, and also giving more space between the keyframes. So here you could start the keyframing around here and handing up a bit further, and that will just create a stronger effect overall. But personally, when I do it, I tend to stay on the low key side and not go too harsh on the effect. It's, in my opinion, always better when the effect is a bit subtle. Right now, for example, it's a bit too strong for my taste, but for demonstration purposes, it's always a bit better if I show you a stronger effect. But here you can then easily adjust by going where you drop the keyframe, and you could reduce a little bit the effect here at 1.3, for example. And there you go, that's how you can emphasize movement and impact in your video in Davinci Resolve. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye! Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.